Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So we're just gonna get a quick mow job in today because things are a little moist around these parts. This week we've already had 4 inches of rain. We might possibly get another 2 inches tonight. That's what she said. I snuck home during lunch, got the front yard mowed, so I only have to go mow the back tonight. So let's go do that. This bucket full of water from all the rain we've had this week. There's the lawn. It's looking a little bushy. Then the other side over here. Lots of tenacity work going on here. I had a bigger bent grass problem than I thought. But we're taking care of it. So I gotta try to hurry up here because it's starting to sprinkle again now. And, I mean, can you mow in the rain? Yes, you can. Is it the best thing to do? Not really. You don't get the best cut. And you just have to make sure to clean off your mower when it's done, otherwise that thing will stink up your garage. So, but first, let's wear something different here. There. That's better. If you haven't seen Aiden's channel yet, go check it out. Aiden from A's Lawn and Landscaping. Keep up the good work, man. All right, let's do this. As you can see here, it's been beat up. Some thicker areas. Kind of went over those, you know, did the double cut style like Mr. Jimmy Lewis. I think I got done just in time. The thicker area, the taller area over there, I kind of went over it again. So there's not too much grass clumping up laying there. This area, I beat the crap out of it recently. I ran a dethatch. Been spraying. I did 2 rounds of tenacity. I think we're on day 6 of the second application. So things aren't looking very good right now here. So I guess the greener lawn, your lawn's probably greener again. But watch out, buddy. Pretty soon we'll be greener than the greener lawn again. Here's some of that, I don't know, is this bent grass or is this some sort of poa triv maybe? It's just really thin here. Looks like crap. Look at that. Pulls up like a carpet. Of course it pulls up right now really good. Hey, wormy. Because the soil is just so saturated. But, yeah. Look at those roots, John Perry. So maybe I will have to do some reseeding back here, because there's just too much crappy grass here. I'll let the tenacity work some more. I'll come through with my dethatcher again, and then we'll do round number 3 of tenacity. You know that a recent survey revealed that 6 out of 7 dwarfs aren't happy. So how many of you guys, or girls, use the quick wash port on your mower? Would you let me know in the comments? I also want to know in the comments, have you ever mowed your lawn in the rain before? This guy has. Let's get this thing washed out. Alright, we're all cleaned up. It works pretty good. Sometimes I get a little, little bang on the side just to knock off anything loose. But good to go for the next mow job. So thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I want to see those comments down there. You use the quick wash? Do you guys ever mow in the rain? Tell me about it. We'll see you guys in the next video. But hey, I really appreciate the 54 people that watch my videos. It really means a lot to me. So if you found any use or found any humor or don't like me, go ahead and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.